could have told you what fingering is like. Could have. There's no clitoris. It's a myth. Don't even look for it. Don't even look. When you get down there, you're just kind of gonna rub your nose around on it. And you're gonna want to finish as fast as you can. All right? It's not about her. She'll figure it out. She's teaching you everything wrong. And condoms are for quitters. Okay? Remember that. If she cared about you, she would make you use one. Remember that. Remember that. I'm gonna be a good dad. You got any kids, Abe?